Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Bendorm Mad Mike here. Look at Jokers, and we're going to go around the corner and end up back round by Uncle Ped'S, somewhere on there. So let's get on with the video. Here we go then guys. There's Jokers. You see the bike up there? Zoom in a bit on that. And there it is. And that's been up there a few years now. Great bar. Obviously Meatloaf. One of the best acts in bENIDORM. Well, we'll get on a walk, we'll have a look at the bars round this way. We go from Marcus.
So on at 9 we have the brilliant comedy drag vocalist Ruby Rocks. 10 o'clock is a tribute to the Jersey Boys. Q Jam's tribute to UB40 is on at 11 o'clock. 12 o'clock you have the brilliant Bruno Mars Experience. Then finally topping the night off, 1 o'clock, One Man, Two Tone.
Is that
it's
a madness thing?
Yeah, it's ska music, bad manners, that sort of stuff.
There we go guys. Yeah. Irish pub down here. I'm sure that'll be open this month.
With 6 Nations being on, I think it will.
Yeah, it should today though.
Those on Mondays. It's
Monday today.
Tuesday till Sunday, 10 AM till late.
Yeah, just having a day off today. Oh, we're coming round on Indian Corner now. It's from the start calling this place. What's that say, Deep?
Nepali Tandoori House.
Yeah. Hey Marcus. Excuse me guys, I've got a bit of this cough. Is that one? Never tried that one. Smoky Mo's is not opened. This might be a Monday thing guys. I know what's going on here. Of course next to that you've got the clay oven. I think that's back open now. Good food in there, apparently. the specials. Special menu. Yeah, quite a bit on that, don't you, Marcus? They're all pluses. Yeah, let me know if you've been in there. I'm sure a few of you have. Very nice Indian. That's the second one. Another barn that open. One of these clubs. Yeah, that's open. Got a bit of sunshine, got plenty in, as usual. And the curry house, I think that's what it's called, on the end here. I'll have a look back at that in a minute. Yeah, I've taken over the bar up here as well. Now we've got all this outside space. It's just up the road from Uncle Ped'S, on the corner by the supermarket. That's where it used to be inside. Still got the inside bit, but obviously I wanted more space. I've got all this. I don't know if I'm back open yet. I would have thought I'd have chairs out if I were. There's a supermarket. No, if it's 24-hour day, that one, Marcus?
Not that I know of.
I'm not sure. I know it's open late, guys.
I think it shuts about like half 12. Something
Right,
like that.
okay. I'm going to look down here. At the moment, Blackpool's back open. Did we get all that naming? No, we can't. There we go. Yeah, it's back open. Great bar, great beer in there. That's what they do in there. I haven't got the match on tonight.
Oh, that's one first one, say 9 PM.
And we can stop out till 9 PM, Marcus. Country ribs back open. Do all your ribs, burgers, steaks.
You do realise that's probably the only bar that's got the match on in
Everybody
Bendorm.
have the match on tonight, Marcus.
I doubt it.
Probably always best to stop in. Well, we're playing just lately. Yeah, country ribs back open. And we're back where we started, at Uncle Ped'S. There'll be a few less in here now. It's sun's gone off. Been a bit cooler. and the Riviera over the road. I think that's going to be open tomorrow. Yeah, I think they're thinking of opening that tomorrow. Looks like it, they've got all the chairs out and everything. So I'm going to leave the video here. Like and subscribe as normal, and we'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye.